We are definitely looking for a MTN. We are proud that last year our MTN program of 500 million was at the appropriate time and we got a better rate, Libor plus 232. This year we have already appointed around 5 plus 2 merchant bankers. We in fact completed all the formalities for MTN, including the updation and all that. Since now the quarter results have come, we may have some temporary work relating to further updation, and after that we may already in touch with the investors, or we may go for non-deal roadshow or deal roadshow. And since recently State Bank has completed the issue, and which was a very record success with a good response, we hope that we will also be able to go and get at the appropriate pricing, because particularly when I am talking about giving this credit to the Indian and other multinational corporates, it has to be at the affordable price, so that we can be profitably be deployed. So I am sure that minimum of 500 million US dollar MTN for 5 to 5.5 years we are looking, and we will be maybe completing next 2 months. See, one thing, Indian Overseas Bank has been a agricultural plus micro and small, and it is the past performance indicate that we have done exceedingly well. And currently we last 18-20 months we have opened more than 600 branches. 70% of branches are rural and semi-urban. So our continuous focus on agriculture and micro small will remain, and also retail. The data which I have given in the recent agricultural investment credit campaign, we were able to bring 600 crores of fresh dispersal. Now August and September month we are celebrating the Kisan month. Again we will be looking for crop loan. On the parallelly, as per the ministry guidelines and our own guideline, a special campaign for SME is in the offing. However, the SME and the micro has shown certainly small fall over the year-end level, whereas on the small has shown positive growth. We have innovative schemes, IOB Micro 1, IOB SME Plus, IOB SME Instant Fund. These schemes will enable, and we are also one of the bank which has tied up with the CDB for risk capital, and 100 crores have been allocated. So I am focusing on that. On the retail front, housing and Bushpaka loan, there is a vehicle loan and education loan, we are expecting. We are expecting around dispersal of 3,600 crores of fresh retail loan, so as to get a growth rate of 40% in the retail. In micro small, last year we have done a growth rate 40%. This year may be slightly moderated, but still we may be able to. This quarter, because of the economy and some of the sectoral problems, some of the companies or accounts do not get a second restructuring, and they are not taken the CDR route. We had to at the upper level also, and of course in the agriculture and SME, we had to take a total default of 835 crores. However, that is much larger than the last quarter of the corresponding quarter. However, this has to be looked at that a few cases are definitely case for upgradation, and we expect as you go forward, for until the economy comes back to the normalcy and some of the issues are sorted out at all level, some pain in terms of the incremental NPA until the economy comes to normalcy may be there. However, that has to be followed up with the focus on recovery. So this quarter again the recovery, cash recovery is higher than the corresponding quarter of the last year. Similarly, we had an upgradation of 85 crores as against hardly 37 crores last year. So we expect around this year our target for recovery and upgradation is around 2,000 crores. And the NPA level last year the default has been around 3,180 crores. We would like to restrict these defaults to that level in the current year.